360 with the record card of in some of the cases, they just that's yes. You might you know there was things that I did that is something saying go on and get it scattered with really no then that's what they can do that's you guys I just the nothing to take care of the music companies. Two people. You know, the 10 years of the program. It happens of Indian people are not in this area. So we don't lay the I by say $50. Like a fun. Yeah, says you have to pray. Yeah, says you have to pray. You say how much and we can use and he's going to be another step. He's going to make another. Even the rest, to remember, to see that in Maharashtra, and don't let to say that. Yes, it was. Yeah, talk to start to clearly say that. So, probably, there are spaces from check it out. You don't have a school next to it. It's only for the power difference. On my spirit. Okay, guys, we are ready now. Set up device on. Device for the device. Recording is so before we start today's session, let us only what is the update in the task. I just got one message for daily task. Here, ये वही तक हो जाएगा सुबह से क्लास की 5 बजे सुनता यही था like when you have to like afterwards like सुबह 8 बजे क्लास अबे वही today is not such a like late class session. Basically, hopefully we're expecting the hours completion. Anyways, so yesterday you learned about video stitching, right? Uh, video stitching was one of the process which is used. Video processing was used in a large attempt in completing the 45 work. Yeah. So why do you want to change video stitching and stitching to a fisheye and stuff? Can anyone show that? I mean, even if you do image stitching, there are still some errors like वो बाउंड्री वाले इशू तो नहीं बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट वो ओरिजिनल डेटा जो जब वो ब्लर यूज करते हैं ओरिजिनल डेटा कहीं ना कहीं तो कहाँ जाता है प्लस ओरिएंटेशन वाली जो दिक्कत हो रही है इन टू इमेजेस आर ऑफ different orientation or one is zoomed in looks kind of weird and complete image yeah. We can actually correct that by putting the mounts of cameras, but to make sure that all the cameras are aligned in such a way there is no gap here. So, no, that's not okay. Fair enough for the fishing now, the cameras are not connected to the rigid body, but there are more issues. Check whenever feature the class is louder, if I have two feature like recording feature, then they would be matched correctly. Because they will be that the same feature so it's fine. Okay, the auto detection thing which features was a film for our friend. Okay, fair enough. Okay. Sure. Uh, okay, let me share you what we were planning with the architecture of the interface. So we are using Epson Nano along with Raspberry. We needed four cameras. The four slots were coming from two were coming from Jetson Nano, two were coming from Raspberry Pi. Now the point is that Raspberry Pi may or may not like work at the same refresh rate as Jetson. Like we already using a single camera, the FPS which we were getting was 12 to 13. And in Epson Nano, we are expecting okay, so 25 to 20, it can like vary upon the setting. So it can manage the complete pressure on the cameras. So if there are different FPS, The whole video will not be like both the videos will not be at the same uh, refresh rate. They won't be uh, adaptable to each other. ठीक है? Another thing, कि now you don't know about the cameras. One can be 4K, one can be 1080p. Even if you imagine कि both of them have the same FOV, FOV में when this the angle is wider. So the width can be wider, but due to the pixel size being less, 4 times less, at the image stitching part, in the like using the software, वहाँ पे you will see कि both of them are not kept at the same this wrapping करने जाओगे तो one side जहाँ पे 4K चल रहा है there you can see sharp image और जो SD वाला part है which is actually blur out there. So we saw कि if we are using two different processing input processing, then you are getting different like FPS, different like SDRC, where again the mount will not same. All those things were coming into the question. इसकी वजह से at the end you are not able to use all the four cameras. दो कैमरा भी यूज किए उसमें भी वीडियो स्टिचिंग ठीक से नहीं हो पाया. Then it had different reason, but हाँ दो अलग अलग माइक्रो प्रोसेसर से हम लोग नहीं इम्प्रूव नहीं पा रहे. Container microphone are like completely capable of using the cameras which you are sitting as sensors. No need now. So we came up with the fisheye lens. Fisheye lens, थोड़ा सा आगे. So image example of fisheye lens. Yeah. Fisheye lens normally fits output in this format. Okay. This is not the standard way in which we get the images. So even if you plan to use fisheye lens study in your hardware, you can't directly implement the whole thing, right? So why do you use fisheye lens? That's the issue. If it is that complicated, let's just bargain with our situation. We just completely can't see the 360 degree. We only use the front camera or the back camera. Or if you are use it differently, not still. So the point is clear. Even in your eyes, you know about blind spots, right? Even the cameras have their own blind spots. But after a certain angle, you can't see also. And there are chances that the thing which you want to avoid is going out of the range of the like, going out of the FOV of the camera. So it's better to make sure you have all the 360-degree view rather than being and let's put some one camera at front and one camera at the back. So seeing the whole issue, we finally came up कि हम fisheye lens use करना ही पड़ेगा. We can't complement it with something else. Now, fisheye lens it has its own challenges. So is the first challenge कि how it is looking right now. If you see the image processing, if we go into more technical terms of image processing, there is something called warping. यहाँ पे if you can see at the peripheral part, the image is like more squeezed up rather than at the center. Center has a lot of detail, but the sides don't have that much quantity, right? So even if you try to extend, either you can crop it. The simple way of doing cropping is you are excluding all the data which you actually wanted. और इन सब को क्या करना पड़ेगा? Well, how can you get all the data which you got? Can anyone tell? Stretching how? Like, can it be more detailed? Stretching in which way? Say, this past is diagonally. This is not fast. What the diagonal is which is 4 points, right? Yeah. Okay. Any other opinions? Few multiple ways होते हैं. There are multiple ways in which you can change the perspective. So really, yes, we have to sort of. I mean, more mathematical way of looking at causing, obviously. It's like with the distance to the center, how much distance you elongate the pixel that is spread across the images. Yeah. Further to Carnation axis, right? Downward. And will be coming on on that comes can I make separated it for a different access where signal are separated in terms of different access for different other class data in the credit should start stage. So that's really for this I'm not sure if you ever seen this. I able to composition that it's a high quality data. The yes, is under this question standard. As far as I can understand, you're talking about transform matrices in multiply with the yeah. You take like you take the input multiply with another matrix so that it can be expanded. Right? Transform matrix का फंडा एक right side of some I guess you could not be something to use about yes. We might put next in the if you touch in the third way uh if I would write it on for it's being done. Yes, the value similar delivery problem. So such a before mathematically seeing to this or how they are unwrapping this. Can you tell me why is this a circle and not a convergence? Yes. Convergence and so incidence तो हर सबका कर रहता है right? 70 degree वाले में भी उसे उसका but why is this इसमें वाइट कैप्चर करता है उतना डिस्टॉर्ट होके जाता है हाँ डिस्टॉर्ट हो जाता है so डिस्टॉर्ट ऐसे रेक्टेंगुलर में भी हो सकता है why is this making a circle सर्कल बाकी कैमरास के भी होते हैं why is this circular distortion I agree going image circular like points are off but the point is not exact point circle and then सर्कुलर फॉर्म होता है जिसको बाद में क्रॉप अप करते हैं डिजिटली एंड वो सेव होता है डाउन होता है या फिर अगर तुम मोर ट्रेडिशनल मेथड में जाओ स्टार्टिंग में जो फिल्म्स यूज होते थे वो फिल्म्स रेक्टेंगुलर होते थे से सारे इमेजेस रेक्टेंगुलर सेव होने का ट्रेडिशन चलते आ but now that you are talking about ki how will the image be formed obviously circular image form होगा point for cameras point with camera स्पिन हो गया स्पिन कर राइट सो उसमें जब भी तुम्हारा आउटपुट आएगा वो सर्कुलर फॉर्मेशन नहीं आएगा तो टेक्निकली सर्कुलर होना चाहिए इट शुड बी पॉइंट बट कैन बी अ पॉइंट सर्कुलर मतलब if it is going to diverge from the point वो एक सर्कुलर पैटर्न में डाइवर्ज राइट so that is going to split I would suggest a better method इसमें it's not only talking about the shape but also the distortion. Imagine you are keeping the whole this keeping the camera upward, like it is facing upwards. Okay? Now this the camera is like the curvature of lens is in such a way that it takes the input from its 360 like in your eye level at 180 like in the latitude right. So it is making a hemisphere. And the same hemisphere is now in okay, just yeah. So this is the hemisphere, right? जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. It is taking input from all the locations in its surrounding. And then squeezing that on a flat space. ठीक है. इससे क्या हो रहा है? यहाँ पर it has data. The amount of data it has but here and here is the same. But when you are squeezing it on a flat surface, वहाँ पर distortion हो जाता है, right? So अगर तुम उसको if you want to think it in terms of the graphical way, तो वो ऐसा कुछ दिखेगा. You initially have this, and जो initially जो बात करता है और stretching the corners, corner को stretch करेंगे तो वो कुछ ऐसा दिखेगा. This is similar to what? Imagine globe है, globe का northern hemisphere तुमने काट के निकाल लिया, you try to stretch it in terms of like make it a flat surface. ठीक है ऐसा दिखेगा. If you can observe यहाँ पे circular rings बन रहा है that are slowly turning from circular to square and जो vacuums बन रहा है but I should not say that radial जो one हो रहा है point तो इधर radially outward हो रहा है but as you are going down they are getting like distorted. So this is the method like this is one of the method of unwrapping the visualized input in back. Yeah. So before we getting into the these section I already discussed that. Okay, what is the normal camera view is around 30 60 to 90 vertical view. Say both the place and horizontal and vertical plane. Yeah, मतलब if you are keeping it four, so select the say 45 feet, 45 feet, 4% vertical. That is about 90. So the protection, if you take the protection of the ring, how? Let's see something. Okay. There's another thing called 360 degree camera. 360 degree camera is actually nothing but two 180 degree camera, which are videos stitched together. इसके बारे में भी आगे है तो so while unwrapping the beside eight pieces, one packet. So there are four different ways in which you can unwrap the whole. This one of the which I told you guys to or base hotel, right? So you want to join it. You will link with what so it's like your typical input with typical outputs you'll get from our intake, right? So it's, before I go into detail of the four different ways in which you can unwrap, I just want you guys to see how the four different ways are after the conversion. So this is the first method. So normally, the precise perception perspective you got this. Now you can see this. You have a normal thing feel, right? This is what normal cameras take to the right. This is the perspective. Even if you see from your eyes, that is called perspective view. Is another view जो हम लोग scientifically use करते हैं orthographic view. Orthographic view CAD में भी इन्हीं का use होता है. The difference between perspective and orthographic is imagine you're looking at the sun, you're looking at the moon to an infinite distance take over. The thing that you will see from an infinite distance or the focus is at infinite. वहां पर we call it orthographic view. Normally जब तुम कोई view को देखोगे by perspective, you will see it still a bit of distorted. Orthographic में तुम जो exactly sketch करते हैं वैसा दिखेगा orthographic. Okay. So normally we talk when we look through our eyes, like single input, the camera का single input. We always talk about perspective. This is special perspective view. Normal cropping one or which view. Yeah. Yes. So you got the input from the spherical machine. Once the concept part does into crop for the that is what you are going to do. So yeah, you can see then as you can see, this is what if you are putting it in a like cube. So this is how the cube surface will look in the picture camera. And how the orthographic view is there. अभी मुझे दूसरा एंगल चाहिए तुम उस एंगल पे फोकस करोगे और राइट सो दिस इज व्हाट पर्सपेक्टिव व्यू लुक्स लाइक एक्स so this is circular view. This like diagram invert is the output. This looks a bit distorted, right? So ये होता है जब when you stretch the sides. So stretch करने के बावजूद the end would look distorted. Instead of what you have made it into a square thing, but distortion still there. So, but सारा data इसमें saved है. एक चीज और वन थिंग ये 70 डिग्री 120 डिग्री 150 डिग्री 220 सारे कैमरास थोड़ा सा डिस्टॉर्ट करते हैं तो ये इमेज इज डिस्टॉर्टेड बाय दिस कैमरा. This is what 120 I think or 120 looks like. This is what 220 looks like. ठीक है थोड़ा सा वेरिएशन के बाद उसको हम नॉर्मलाइज कर रहे हैं इसी नॉर्मल में लोग का एरो कैमरा से उतना इंस्ट्रक्शन भी नहीं होता. But if you want perfect situation, so then this was installed the number. So let's say we are using a normal camera, like offset class by camera. So the input that you'll get from that will be that distorted in the world. Although that will be in a rectangular form, you will feel the yoga, but it is still distorted. So you will look at the edges now. You'll see the straight lines won't be a straight. Will be bending. So then we'll have to go with that and make us not usually like जब normally तुम camera use करो even 120 तक you don't have to 180 में why do we want to remove the distortion? योलो OpenCV जो भी तुम लाइब्रेरी यूज करो they are not trained on those cameras right so blended चीजों को वो maybe देखे ही ना ऑब्जर्व ही ना कर right so this is for normal flat they're using 70 degree or 120 degree तो normally use भी होता है उसी से लाइब्रेरी trained है then won't fall through okay चलो उनका For example, the camera which we have here is 120, right? So I hope you won't touch the lens or the part. You don't touch the lens part. This means it will have a better bend. And if you search a fisheye camera, so you search for give it half search for it. So you want it to stop. Therefore, like if you are looking at pinhole cameras, okay, pinhole cameras have a very low step of weight. If you want to extra bend that you need data. Whatever में जो और through the pinhole like यहाँ से पूरा तुम्हारा eye has another like lens here. उस lens में जितना input आएगा एक एक आया तो origin और उसको पिन होल से पास करना पिन होल से पास करो कितना डाइवर्स करो मेरे लेंस राइट अगर मैं यहाँ लेंस डालूं तो वो कैसे डाइवर्स होगा the amount of curvature of the lens decides the amount of curvature. For example, now this is what like this is not the module, but this is what at this fisheye camera looks like. Even अगर तुम लोग cameras देखिए उसमें तो lenses which are there. Whenever you talk about fisheye lens, whenever you talk about 0.5 mils, हमारे flow में जो 0.5 mils, that is more towards 150 degrees. And जो 2x वाला होता है, that has around 60 degrees. Okay. So yeah. Okay, this is what I was talking about when I was talking 360 cameras. वो कैसे design करता है this two images is blend them together like this. इन दोनों के बीच में around this area blind spot है जो यहाँ पे avoid कर दिया यहाँ पे stitching में देखो बहुत शुरू होगी. These are not normal तुम्हारा focus यहाँ रहेगा जितनी दिक्कत यहाँ पे ही वो सब चीजें आ सकती हैं. Alright. This is the fourth type, panoramic view. This is what we will actually use in the mass color. If you will see this, this can be made into two ways. You can take that you will put it straight forward and then take the sample of around 180 degree like this Another option is you will face it upwards and if you go पूरा 360 का दोबारा view ले सकते हैं. ठीक है. So in this situation, it is taking like the state of मतलब तो यहाँ पे it is giving only 180 degree का view, right? यहाँ पे spherical view से from the spherical view, the actual polar coordinates to Cartesian coordinates are the यहाँ पे. So it's and it's मैं आगे तो काम आता है. Yeah. So these are the four different ways which you can unwrap the whole view. But exactly coding वाले part में क्या हो जाता है? Page would be replaced. Yep. So now we have some blind spots, right? So words, like the data, like stuff. Blind spot का meaning क्या होता है? There is just one particular angle at which you can't see. ठीक है? हमारे सिचुएशन what normally Insta360 cameras do, use the rod of the part, then deliberately put that part into the this blind spot. So if you will see the outcome of Insta360 on this camera, कभी तो rod दिखेगा, बंदे का नाम दिखेगा सर. Okay. हाँ? मतलब वहाँ तो part उसको दिख ही नहीं रहा, कैमरा को दिख नहीं रहा. So we know that some place will not be seen. The manufacturing part decided कि हम लोग ऐसे डिजाइन ही करेंगे so that part like the rod part is the annoying part which is institute उसी को remove कर दो line part डाल के. ठीक है. Even your eyes image change हो रहा है वहाँ पर and your nose is disappeared because the blind spot वहाँ था. Until unless you just turn and see your nose. ठीक है. So, yep, देखिए. Okay. Okay, so you guys have like if they understood how like design camera works. So basically why we want to do is like if we have only one single it's necessary to have synchronized the cameras. So that's an issue. And also like we won't be just performing messages on the let's say launch room. So it has to do many other processing. So when you divide those processing power, it will make the system more run slow, right? So not to make it more optimized. So like has to detect objects, the segmentation has to grab objects, it has to perform whatever sensing it has. So what we are trying to do is instead of what you were given, let's try to this I can tell. So for the third part, we have so let's say OpenCV already imported first. Here is the image where you want to check. Okay. That's fine. That would be kind of expect life not them and I read for now. Second is that problems of the do not really use like what dials etc. I couldn't see right. It's really attractive. You can just and we are trying to push access spread out. So, especially we are looking at it, how we are thinking of it as an in between sense. Let's say I'm in a hemispherical place. I'm in a center. I'm looking up, down, left, so I can rotate 360 degrees. All I need to do is look it up and down, right? I don't need to go all the way down here. I don't have to go here, go here. And if I want to go back, then I can rotate to this. So the one will implement that also. So what it does is, uh, uh, so here, this is the image that one is there over there. We have given it a path. So what it does is, we are taking the identity of the this image. And so typically what happens when we are spreading it is a better of the grid. We want it to be like a bridge to be a little bit we're going for twice basically. So it has to be a little bit spread out. What is what we like. So what that is information loss for ideally it should be a square, but if we are converting it to a rectangle. Yeah, for that we will come in the way it will come. So this is how this will the actual now what we want to do is let's say uh, so theta, what theta is as I said, you will be going here. So you will be rotating 360 and phi I'm going from here to here. So 90. So I'm going to create one this. So it would be like the axis 0 till 360. Phi would be 0 till okay, sorry. Sorry. So, so on this, here 90 degrees. Okay. And so what we are trying to do is we want to create a grid like so. So this point, mass grid, will create a grid for theta and phi. So basically, we will get this again. So that's the solution. I of 0 to 19 times. So we're creating equations. So then our writing says that writing is 5. It's only 300 and dividing your terms. Here I'm dividing your terms as 9. So now I have created a map and I will keep trying to create a map basically. So the algorithm what would follow is let's say I want this exception. I want to map this exception. Then let's say this is let's say T or whatever, like T25, that's 25. So the coordinate will be let's say like this. Zero. So what will happen? Because what we want to convert this into this pretty far. So in the point, this will be a non-binary. Right? So in this, You currently there is a formula of currently foreign partition is spiritual foreign system. So based on this, we'll be getting a value. We'll be getting a value. Basically, what it's doing is converting is to be to hemisphere. We're plotting. So we're having, let's say, like, before you want this one, we're plotting it here for the by converting hemisphere. So we're getting okay. Let's say we're getting the formula here. But now, usually, one arrives is that we want to know how precise versus we're looking for. Right? We have this experiential look, but we are about flattening it like this. So we want to know what units pixel. This is a units, let's say. This is just for our like this. Let's say this is just our map. One this big map here, and then we want to know in this function, in this how to be flattened. Right. So for this one, let's say we have gotten the coordinates from here, and then we move it right here. This here. Then what happens? As you can see in the image version, yeah, you can see that this one is a bit like extended. This one is a bit straight, right? Straight up. So we have this thing called scaling function. We have the scaling function. Yeah. Which is the radius by 5 so how it comes is we want to know how much the value should be. Like let's say, so when we convert it in radius, we want to know in this radius, in this location, you will not should up. It's a formula. You guys got like you have one test product or like there are multiple ways of converting of this type density to RDC. So this is one of the algorithm that we follow for. We are assuming that everything is equidistant. Every point is equidistant. So for this one, we are getting this fitness from F1. So it is fine. When I when I let's say around 45, well I'm looking at 45. So yeah, this will be 45. This conversion ratio will convert and then it will tell us around this radius millimeter. Now we know where in the actual original beside camera the location. It's located here. So we are taking it's very enabled for you. It's a pure 2D image and we are trying to make a 3D image of that. So I mean starting maintenance is like we are saying config we're making a map first. We are having the this is just for you want to know where we are. This coordinate we are looking at the actual data, but first we are plotting this point into this demonstrator. And then from there we're plotting it into where like we are actually in the image where it's a class. Based on this conversion rate, so we know that the radius to be swinging out into the value there. So based on that, we now know that okay, we want this pixel, this located in this spherical coordinate system, but this spherical coordinate system is squashed into this 2D pixel. Now we're getting that, and then we're plotting it. So we are taking that image that was formed on the lens track. We are trying to develop an image that was formed on the data basically. Yeah. So it's like let's say I'm in the museum or let's say the painting is now like hemispherical dome. I'll be looking at it, yeah, fine. The everything will be looking like but when I take a camera picture like this, it will be flat like just look. Don't certain or gave me the data give them circle that was it's finding values converted into the yeah, and we are plotting it into the so you just want to know how much converting is going right? Like everything this algorithm is mainly like mathematical. This is just one of the algorithm I have to think of. Uh, So as your assignment, you guys what like multiple of you were giving your own like algorithm and if you want to stretch it, you want to study it like this. You guys can try it. No problem, because this one we have like it depends on how your algorithm. So after performing that, we get distance from that precise camera. So you can see that it's a bit here it's a bit stressed, but the issue, but the trick that can easily be solved is let's say if our observable interest can be around here, because they use let's say art, we have this thing called perspective, right? Perspective art. So you know that where you want to focus. You know where you want the people that we want to see. That's the answer. So even with this one, we have first we do our notes and then we are giving like messages. But there is no way that computer using this as seriousness. For us, we're seeing okay, there's a number of computer that doesn't matter. And the values are being the best, right? In the yeah. So there are many who can also try your orientation in a fixed cycle. Right? So what it does, it removes that process of let's say image stitching of the image, and then you're taking some process to power. And then after that again you're trying to take image. As opposed to you can just have like instead of multiple synchronize, you don't have to synchronize it on one whole image. You're gonna start here. Like yesterday's code lesson, how long was how long the yesterday's code was? Like how was the yesterday's code? Yes, stitching rest stitching is right. Hours that's all. That's all. Other many different operators the five-step process. You have five features, so you have to mask pictures, you have to do multiple things crossing your host coordination, and you just take. Here you're just mapping it into 3D and then so it happens that you're already on Python is code. Longer lines, you need more. So basically, the algorithm that I told you, as in an intuitive sense, is the one that I followed here, right? So I took the height and the width. I created a grid, phi theta. I converted it into spherical, and then this is a conversion ratio, and then we mapped it into the image. Basically, we mapped it into the image. That's it. And this is out of your mistake. What do I say? Out of the scope. But what we can do also is we can convert it into a cube map. Basically, a fisheye camera can be converted into those blocks. So we can see. Let's not convert into that. You can convert into an image like this. So we have top, we have bottom, press on that block. So and application of this is that let's say this is the top block, let's say this is the left block, right block. Since they are named, you can box them up. And let's say we have both let's get squad. But putting all the applying on the top left side mirror and defense. Let's say we're keeping the camera in the middle. And let's say we have a VR setting, we have a VR, and then we have the camera is placed in the middle. So will it not look like as if we are having in that location? Right? So you can try with VR setting, just aspect. So if you go like this turn the box in there. We have many information like you can and so the thing is there's one more issue about pixels being lost, pixel being stressed. So because of that we have this thing called interpolation where we need to so let's say in this pixel we want a certain pixel is not found here. Because of compressed, right? So basically what we do is we find the nearest. What I do is we just call the nearest, and then I just put everything. There will be some fiction information law, but we are making up for it with the processing decision of what we're seeing in the process. And yeah, that would be about the statement. About the side of it, you guys seems like a more academic question and they can ask from the guy. This one, this one, this one. This one is it is joining those specific. It is joining this portion. Oh, it's just like that angle is right. So that's radius. I'm getting the radius, right? I'm getting the radius. So I'm taking this length and in order to back in say I want radius of let's say one. Then I'm putting it and this is the current this.
So will that be any real image of that backward side? Will that image that is 16 is that he said he there will be a image that up over and then the other one will be down. So like how will you get a down image?
Okay, this one, right? You guys don't have to go. You need some extra thing that is like teaching stuff.
So we'll basically get five now. Forward, backward, right, left and up.
That's not really that should be very one, two, three, four, five, six. Yes, lateral, I mean, we can do that even physically in that, right? Next to the also that's all that. That was the solution. Okay, what? No, you're not technically getting this. For now, I'm just guessing what it would look like from the sides of green one and green. No, it's not gas. Is that a gas or is that like this one? Yeah. It's just yeah, you can say it's like a gas. It's like taking those this point and words. Yeah, it itself. The bottom part is like square. It's a blind spot. But you can make it up for it by let's say here it might be a blind spot. Like let's say currency after it. This might be a blind spot. But before I come into here, this will be a blind spot, right? I'm moving towards it. There will be information will be there. Questions as well as on that. So that is what the interaction. And also, yeah, there are two types of design. Yeah. You can see that it is circular here. It is called a circular design. And there's also rectangular design. Where this part, you can, the image is also formed in this shape. Some also, that means, solid connects now. It depends on how the architecture of the concept is. Here, the shape of the one. Shut up. It's an English last one. Things I made things with you. That, but I was right. You just never the many research so because universities allow you to go for hiding interpretation theory but to let's say you have a circular space and then you have some award and all these manipulation on your direction. It is a feedback practice. We say also peaceful to the viewers. Yeah, probably here you might say there may always be a message on the game. There's a year the leadership job and many things that is a bit if not just so let's say there are very tensions about one and this is yeah. It will be very happy. But there are many I need everyone to socialize over there. Wouldn't that be January? I'm going to more generative and actually. You see, you go to generative because then you have to speak with the contextual information stuff. How much can you trust this thing, right? Generative AI mostly are experience, right? Attention not changed. The main principle of us is, okay, have you ever used a generative AI? I have. Like, it's very noisy. Have you used it? Really, I've used it. Come on, you know what you give text to it. Oh, yeah, I also have it does very well. It took, just in order to run 7 user, it took me 32 GB of RAM in 20 minutes. Yeah, okay. It hurts me that I cannot continue because of that. But yes, I can show you some of that. I mean, we can probably use like unless an image is too distinct, we can probably just use a CGAT. CGAT, convoluted generative optimization. Automation, what? It generates synthetically. I mean, you can you fit in some distinct CGAT is a pretty good at generating. But not all of those could be a guess. ये global वाला right that's it ये investigation कर लो not global one optimization might be pretty long like you might be able to fill in the blank like let's say it's a solving some double person and then remove s background right like it's pretty that's pretty but what if there was an invest of say buying something then we can we have to like for one event we can go for this for the station it might be loose on that important yeah I mean I was thinking filling the blank yeah get that but actually it's not you might choose reliable data instead of you can yeah it's now one yeah one importantly original one you want you want when I was trying data in your file data is the only one so yeah any it's okay one second so right that's it right that's it you're making some mistake that's fine but wait any points again the internet let's say apart from the say object detection it's not like I use Python language like it's not allowed to say again this was an object I last through basics here and it's really complicated so we want to say and you do from here okay what do you want yeah I think what we try is any sort of complex and yeah it should be that you I fast there I use complex models now I can there are things could be everything necessary right so it's that some when the product progresses till now we have but which parts so the developer prediction is get Pokemon just it should be I am to the inference is one way but it has a time we get my progress of next week not that in fact so yeah, I knew that I'm going to work inside the one. I was just asking, I'm not saying that let's say, just with something like even he was complex one. This is right. That's quite good. So, how much of large I got to like. So there are multiple things that yeah, and like mentioned one of the is. I needed a statement. He saw that you that the change in the face and I will find it up there. And like I was short. Yeah, that is going to be that's it. We have no questions. No questions, right? I was even but that's your GPU. So, GPU. For example, GPU can be EEPROM also. It is that's from it is a good program. Yeah, like because erasable program EEPROM it's written on software but you can change it so then you cannot change it. Double
हाँ, जैसे वो इलेक्ट्रिकल उसको इरेज कर सकते थे और नाम कर सकते थे। फुल फॉर्म नहीं अलग
Electrically disable, programmable, single EEPROM. You send us a basic one, then you code the stuff into the EEPROM, not with you, like using certain method, and then you can use it. But if you want to remove it, you need to send it back to manufacturer, use UV light, erase or data, and then you can use it. This that's one is based by UV light. How do you take electrically? When I said just keep calm. No, just keep calm. Not keep calm, not EEP. EPR or EEP. Yeah, that uses for EPR. Electrically, you can do that. टास्क के लिए पढ़ाना चाहिए इंट्रोवर्ट कई बार प्रोजेक्ट को पढ़ाया था मेरे यूपी लाइट करके मैंने इसलिए आपका का मीटिंग होनी तो एमबीए में शायद हाँ एमबीए हाँ Okay. Okay. Now we'll be going to setting up by so okay, so go down then we can come to the session. So for assignments, I would want you guys to like you guys have thought your own algorithm, right? For this site, so you guys can try anything and show the results. Like this is not the only algorithm. This is just the algorithm that I can team up. So I can team up one algorithm and you can try. And if it's better than this algorithm and faster, then you can implement your algorithm. Okay. अरे we'll decide that the meeting.